People say you can see this from space.
Ready?
ASMR.
Tastes like time away from my kids.
Cheers.
Hi!
Sammy!
Hey!
Welcome to MCEC.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us, what is subtlety? How you got it started?
So it's just literally real cold brewed tea with vodka, and then I just add real fruit.
Is it true that when you are making this drink, you actually Google how to make vodka soda more interesting?
Yeah, I was in a bottle shop just looking at the options, and I literally just Googled how to make a vodka soda more interesting. And it came up with infusions, and it just gave me the idea. So at the moment I have apple and lemon, blood orange and mango. So people always say it actually tastes like the real fruit. I just moved into my own warehouse as well, which is pretty cool. So it's nice to have all my stock there. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I thought about the logo, the can design, like everything, it just kind of came into my head. And I was actually at a festival, like on a dance floor. I didn't even have my phone or anything on me, and I had just like all these ideas. I used to bring it to festivals with me and parties, and I'd always kind of became a bit known for it.
When did you know you were onto something special?
Pretty much every other premix drink is really sweet. And I just couldn't believe how many people were so happy that it wasn't sweetened. I feel very proud when I see it on dance floors, and it's really exciting.
Let's open the can because I'm dying to taste this product. How has Melbourne actually shaped this brand?
I grew up in Melbourne. I'm a very Melbourne person. I think the culture of Melbourne is very inclusive. You know, it's really fun and really vibrant. The actual drink itself, like the ingredients, having it all natural, I think that really aligns with Melbourne, and we're all about good quality ingredients.
So yeah, pour a whole glass for me because that's going to help me.